feel like an enormous weight has been lifted from my shoulders. Now, my wife and I went cross-country skiing this past weekend.
Bill noticed moderate urinary incontinence after his radical prostatectomy surgery 6 months ago. Urinary incontinence is a loss of bladder control that results in either involuntary urine leakage or the inability to empty the bladder at will. For about 80% of people who experience urinary incontinence, the situation can be treated successfully or improved. Life is just too short to miss out on doing the things you enjoy most. The breakthrough ActiCuf disposable pouch is designed for male incontinence control to treat and manage light to moderate urinary incontinence. When placed on the penis, the padded closure gently squeezes the urethra to control urinary flow. The ActiCuf disposable pouch immediately absorbs any leakage, so you can take charge and live your life your way.
Bill is a 62-year-old male who, while undergoing an annual exam at his primary care provider, was found to have an abnormal prostate. His PSA blood test for prostate cancer screening was also slightly elevated. Bill was referred to me and he subsequently underwent a prostate biopsy. This revealed prostate cancer, which was believed to be confined to his prostate. After discussing various options of treatment and the fact that Bill was in reasonable medical condition, he elected to have his prostate removed.
After my prostate surgery, I felt very concerned about how I was going to maintain my lifestyle. I mean, the diapers, pads, clamps weren't reasonable options for me. The ActiCuf disposable pouch, that was the answer for my problem.
13 million people throughout the United States suffer from 4 very common types of incontinence: stress, urge, mixed, and overflow incontinence. And because urinary incontinence is a symptom and not a disease, the type of treatment will depend on each individual's diagnosis. To learn more about your incontinence, its symptoms, and what causes it, please contact your physician, or you may visit the GT Urological website at www.gturological.com. Urinary incontinence is an incredible hurdle faced by more than 2 million men in the prime of their lives who can develop the condition as a result of prostate surgery. There are approximately 450,000 prostate procedures performed each year. Just like Bill, and maybe even you, these otherwise active men are sometimes overwhelmed by the condition.
So, how do you like the ActiCuf disposable pouch compared to other products?
Well, I like it because it's so much smaller than the other devices. I can take it with me almost anywhere without anyone noticing it, like in my gym bag or pocket. Then when I have to go to the bathroom, I just replace it. Since I always carry an extra one with me, changing it is easy and fast.
Finally, using public urinals is convenient again for men with light to moderate incontinence. When you use the ActiCuf disposable pouch, you will experience how discreet and easy it is to go to the bathroom, replace it, and dispose of the old one. Removing the ActiCuf disposable pouch is simple. First, squeeze the shaft of the penis to stop any urinary flow. Next, take off the ActiCuf and finish urinating. Remember, although the ActiCuf disposable pouch is engineered for the greatest ease of use, it's not uncommon for accidents to occur. Keep an extra ActiCuf close at hand in case of sudden leaks, just until you learn to take it on and off. When you're ready to put on the ActiCuf disposable pouch, hold the ActiCuf with your thumb and forefinger. Then squeeze the ActiCuf until the end is completely open and round in shape. Next, insert the penis as far as possible into the opening of the device. Lastly, release pressure so the ActiCuf fits snugly around the penis. Adjusting it will achieve the greatest comfort and leakage protection.
So how is the ActiCuf working for you?
I like it because it's so different than anything I've tried. I hated sitting in those wet diapers, and the pain of that clamp was unbearable. Now, ActiCuf is comfortable. There's no pain, there's no discomfort. I just wear it and forget about it.
The ActiCuf disposable pouch is just the beginning of a new way of living, a whole new you. And because it prevents leakage and provides additional protection like no other device, it can actually improve your quality of life. So go ahead, live free. Ask your physician for a complimentary ActiCuf disposable pouch starter pack. To purchase a supply of the ActiCuf disposable pouches, visit www.gturological.com or call 1-877-GTU-4-DRY. For your privacy, your order will be delivered to you in an unmarked package. It's just your first step to living your life your way.